Detecting Scroll Directions JavaScript series. In this markup, I write one style with the output fixed position and hidden class with display none property. We are going to write one element output and pre-tag with characters. On new line, we can see scrolling element stick on the top. In the JavaScript file, let output equal to document get element by output. Create a function scroll direction function and window.scroll and function name. This dot all scroll equal to scroll y position all position, this dot all position and position y position. You can check now. We can check position with all position and new position with y position. After that, write a condition if all scroll greater than new scroll. Then remove hidden class from output element. In other condition, add hide class on output element. Let's see. When I scroll up, here add class, and when I scroll down, it's remove class. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.